of kids, because like, I mean, my nieces don't know who the Zombies are. They don't know who Frankie Avalon is. They don't know who Janet Kay is. They don't know who Jimmy Mack is. But they will when they hear the original songs. They'll be like, oh, that sounds like Auntie Mel's song. And they'll make the connection. And, you know, I always believe you don't know where you're going unless you know where you've been. And so I'm not going to cover an old song, but I'm going to cover one of my favorite songs by an artist who gave me a shot right from the beginning of my career, Mr. Kanye West, who took me on tour before I even had a record out. And I covered one of his songs, Heartless, at my shows, and it seems to be a fan favorite. So I love to perform it, and I'd like to perform it for you guys today. My style. In the night I hear a song, cold